Bring the family to enjoy food, fun, and entertainment. The Black Holocaust Museum's collection tells the story of how coming to America for enslaved Africans was very different from other immigrating groups. Our ability to relate past history with the reality of today's experiences is due to the diligence and dedication of the chief curator, Mr. J. Justin Ragsdale. Many have said that a visit to the museum was a life-altering experience. We want you to know how much our unique museum is needed today. Show your support on June 11, 2011, 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. at Wall Street International, 143139 North 52nd Street, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 19131. Help us raise awareness of one of Philadelphia's treasures, the Black Holocaust Museum of Philadelphia. Special guest performance by UK-based African artist Amy Coco from Togo. Face painting, African dancing, and local boxing champions will be available to sign autographs.
Ty Grayel, the Minister of Poetry and the author of the book Breath of My Ancestors. See you in the